Are you finding yourself stuck in razor blade split mode while editing in CapCut on your PC? Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to switch out of split mode, get your regular selecting tool back, and glide through your edits without any hiccups. Let's dive right in and make sure you're never slowed down by a tool you don't need. Let's start with CapCut for Windows. If you're editing on a Windows computer and you suddenly find your cursor turned into a razor blade or split icon, it means you're in split mode. Definitely great for quickly slicing up clips, but not ideal if you just want to move things around or make selections. Here's what you need to do. Just press the B key on your keyboard. That simple tap will instantly switch you out of split mode and bring you back to the trusty arrow, also known as the Select tool. What's happening here is CapCut is listening for shortcut commands. B tells it you're ready to go back to basic selecting. If you're ever unsure, just remember B for back or basic, and it'll get you out of the split tool and into regular edit mode. If nothing seems to happen at first, make sure CapCut is the active window and try pressing B again. Sometimes these shortcuts only work when the app is in focus. Take your time. There's no rush, and practicing these shortcuts helps you feel even more comfortable with your editing workflow. Now, if you're using CapCut for Mac, the shortcut is just a little different. On Mac OS, you'll want to press the S key when you're in split mode. This switches you safely out of the razor blade tool and back into the arrow tool, just like on Windows, but with a different key. You might wonder, why S? Well, CapCut's shortcuts can differ depending on your operating system, so just keep S in mind if you're on a Mac. Imagine it as S for select. So if you're ever slicing clips and suddenly realize you want to rearrange or start dragging your footage, just tap S and you're good to go. If you don't see the change right away, just pause for a second and check your keyboard input. Sometimes it helps to click onto the timeline before pressing the shortcut. And for those of you who love personalizing your workflow, maybe you've set up custom keyboard shortcuts in CapCut. This is a powerful feature, but it does mean the default shortcuts like B or S might not work if you've changed them. In that case, turning off the split tool isn't quite as straightforward. You'll want to press whatever key you assigned for switching back to normal editing mode. If you're not sure what you set, don't worry. Just head up to the top right corner of the CapCut interface. You'll find the keyboard shortcuts settings there. Clicking into that will show you all your current assignments, and you can always change them to something that feels more intuitive. Taking a moment to double-check your shortcuts is actually a great habit, because it keeps you in control and prevents any surprises during your edit session. So that's how you exit razor blade split mode and return to regular selecting in CapCut PC, whether you're on Windows, Mac, or using custom shortcuts. Remember, these little shortcut tricks can save you loads of time in the long run and help you stay focused on your creative vision rather than fumbling with tools. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you've got any questions or if your CapCut shortcuts look a little different, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And of course, subscribe for more tips and tutorials to take your editing skills even further. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.